Prayer and meditation, a dynamic duo. Prayer and meditation are two of the most powerful spiritual tools that can help us grow and develop in our faith. They can open us up to new insights and experiences and help us to connect more deeply with our higher power. When used together, prayer and meditation can become a dynamic duo that can help us to deepen our spiritual practice and grow in our understanding of the divine. Prayer is a way of communicating with our higher power, expressing our gratitude, and asking for guidance. It can be done in a variety of ways, including through spoken words, writing, or simply by thinking. Prayer can take many forms, from traditional liturgical prayers to spontaneous expressions of deep gratitude or requests for help. It is a powerful tool for connecting with the divine and deepening our spiritual practice. Meditation is a tool for quieting the mind and connecting with the divine within us. It can be done in a variety of ways, including through guided meditation, deep breathing, and focusing on a single object or thought. Meditation can help us to clear our minds and open ourselves up to new insights and experiences. It can also help us to find inner peace and stillness and to connect more deeply with our higher power. When used together, prayer and meditation can become a powerful dynamic duo for spiritual growth. Prayer can help us to express our needs and desires to our higher power, while meditation can help us to open ourselves up to the divine within us. By combining these two tools, we can deepen our spiritual practice and experience a more profound connection with the divine. Prayer and meditation can be done in a variety of ways and can be tailored to fit any spiritual practice. Whether you are just beginning to explore your faith or are a seasoned spiritual seeker, prayer and meditation can help you to deepen your connection with the divine. So, take a few moments each day to pray and meditate and experience the power of this dynamic duo for spiritual growth.